This is an assembly video for the SHW 48-inch electric height adjustable desk. Step 1. Connect the legs and base pieces together. For an easier time, place the leg upside down so you can easily install the base using the included hardware. Do this for both legs. Step 2. Install the side connector to both legs using the included hardware. Apply all the screws first, then tighten all the way when everything is positioned. Step 3. Insert the motor rod to the non-motor leg. Twist the rod with force in order to align and fit with the motor leg on the other side. Step 4. Install the other side connector and attach it to the other side. Step 5. Install the side supporting brackets to each side of the desk. Be sure that the brackets are facing outward, as indicated by the arrows on the label. Step 6. Hang the power supply holder however you like. Step 7. Connect all the cables, starting from the motor leg, to the power supply. Check to make sure each connection is securely attached in place. Step 8. Hang the hooks to either side of the desk. Step 9. Insert the wooden dowels into the dedicated slots. Then place the desktop panels on top of the frame and combine them together. Step 10. Install the desktops on one side first. Do not tighten the screws all the way yet. On the other side, adjust the panels so that the hardware connection points align with each other. At this point, you may fully tighten the hardware on both sides. Step 11. Align the controller with the pilot holes underneath the desk. A separate Phillips screwdriver is required to apply the screws. Step 12. Perform a factory reset by holding the up and down keys together until you hear 2 beeps. You may now fully enjoy your electric height adjustable standing desk. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us with the contact information listed below.